In this video, we'll delve into the various dashboard categories available. To set up a dashboard, you need to first connect sources that fuel the particular dashboard. Once you've connected your sources, you'll encounter a pop-up indicating that your dashboards are getting ready. This process typically takes 1 or 2 working days before your dashboard becomes accessible. While waiting, you may notice dummy dashboards in the background, which aren't accessible. However, if you click on a dashboard where you see the message "Connect a source," it indicates that the relevant sources required to power that specific dashboard haven't been connected yet. Just click on Add relevant sources to connect them. Now, let's explore the different categories and subcategories of dashboards available. At present, you'll find the following dashboard categories: sales, marketing, finance, customer, product, operations, and advanced analytics. Let's start by looking at the sales dashboards. The Executive Snapshot provides a bird's eye view tailored for the leadership team, offering key metrics such as sales, profit, ad sales, ad spends, conversions, refunds, CapEx, and much more. These metrics are available for different periods of time, enabling quick insights into your business performance. This dashboard serves as your go-to destination for a daily morning overview, providing essential information at a glance. Additionally, on top of each dashboard, you can find filters like brand, country, and sales channel. For agencies and aggregators handling multiple brands, the brand filter can be very useful. Then we have Executive Trends. Here, you can see the same metrics as the Executive Snapshot, but you will be able to analyze the trend over a defined period. You have the flexibility to select the specific metrics you want to measure and customize the time interval according to your preferences. This allows for deeper analysis and insights into the performance trends of your business metrics. In the Channel Comparison dashboard, you will be able to compare key metrics from different sales channels like Amazon, Shopify, and Walmart. By analyzing metrics side by side, you can gain insights into which platform performs better for specific metrics. This information will empower you to make informed decisions, such as reallocating resources or adjusting marketing strategies to maximize sales and profitability. Next up, we have the Amazon Account Overview dashboard, with Amazon-specific metrics like advertising cost of sales and tacos, along with other key metrics, offering Amazon-specific insights into sales, marketing, product, and customers. And then we have a similar dashboard for Shopify Account Overview, offering Shopify-specific insights into sales, marketing, product, and customers. Now moving on to marketing. The first dashboard to look at is the Marketing Overview, which provides insights into all important marketing metrics from all the marketing channels at one single place. You can also put filters on the ad channel and ad type here. In the Amazon Ads channel, you can find an overview of important KPIs, campaign performance, search term, and keyword performances. In Facebook Ads dashboard, you can find the overview as well as understand campaign performances. In Google Ads and Bing Ads, you can find the overview with important metrics. Along with that, you can also find campaign and keyword performance level insights. The email marketing dashboard will give you an insight into how each campaign performed by providing you with insights like number of emails delivered, unique opens, unique clicks, orders, unsubscriptions, and much more. You can also see the performance of your email marketing campaign by months and by flows used. You can also find the multi-touch attribution dashboard where you can choose between first touch, last touch, or linear touch and look at the sales attributed to different marketing channels. In the Finance Overview dashboards, you can find metrics like sales, profit, ad spends, and cost of goods sold, with overall value as well as per unit value. To get the cost of goods sold data to the dashboard, you need to upload it using the Google Sheet integration. The P&L statement is only available for Amazon right now, where you can check the profit and loss by week and profit and loss by RSIN. In the Customer Overview dashboard, you can see all your customer-related metrics like how many customers you have, how many returning customers, CAC, 90 days LTV, one-time purchase versus subscription purchase, units per transaction, churned customers, and more. You can also check individual customer-level details, perform cohort analysis on different metrics, and analysis on different customer segments. The product dashboard will provide you with insights at a product level. You can see revenue, return rate, conversion rate, along with other important metrics. Product revenue share and also product affinity chart are provided here. Product affinity chart tells you about the products that are often bought together. In operations, you can find 3 dashboards. The Inventory Amazon dashboard will give you insights on inventory cost, units sold, out-of-stock items. You can also check out the products that are out of stock and for how many days. For the in-stock product, you can look at the days on hand section. In the returns dashboard, you can see the total refunds you have given so far. You can also see the reason for refund here and choose to dive deeper by selecting reasons and putting filters. In the Amazon listing dashboard, you can get insights into suppressed listings, suppressed products, RSINs ineligible for ads, RSINs in stock, but the listing is inactive. And in the advanced analytics sections, you can get dashboards on lost spend, AMC data, and more. For enterprise customers, the metrics and the dashboards can be customized to suit your needs.